Okay, let us go to the next subchapter, that is classification methods. What is classification methods? Well, you are given a set of collections, okay? So we consider this as training set, this one. Now, each record contains a set of attributes. Take a look at this: attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3, and also class. So one of the attribute is the class. So this is the class with value yes or no. Our task here is to find a model for class attribute as a function of the values of other attributes. Okay, we also have previously unseen records. This one. And these records should be assigned a class as accurately as possible. If you are aware of these records, the class is missing. So this is the goal of classification. We need to find or predict what exactly the class is. Okay. Based on the value of our training set, we need to find the class and classify the value of class in this previously unseen record. Therefore, this unseen record is called test set. Test set is also used to determine the accuracy of the model. Usually, the given data, okay, is divided into training set and testing set. With training set used to build the model, and test set is used to validate it with accuracy. Now, let me draw the real pipeline of classification methods. So you have a data. So imagine this is a data. The data will be divided into two sets. Number one is training data. The second one would be testing data. Okay, the training data should have class, or we also can call it as label. But the testing set or the testing data does not have any class, or it is just missing. Then we will make some learning model to learn based on our attributes and class, and this model is classification model. So one example of it would be decision tree. When this learning model is great, or we can say that it is good, then this model will be tested with test set. To find the class, or we can say this as predicted class. From the test set, we can calculate the accuracy. We will learn that in the next chapter. Imagine it's like this. The layman version is like this. As a human, okay, as a human, Your class is your training. Your final exam is your test. During the class, you were given lectures, lab, and also past year question for you to answer. But then in test set or in final year examination, the answer is not given. So from what you have been trained before, you are going to predict the answer of your final year question. I hope you understand what is classification and classification methods. Thank you, everyone.